Hi, Seventh Earth Studios, Blank's manufacturing company. If you're watching this video, you're probably aware of Seventh Earth Studios or you're in the market for blanks, and if it's neither, then welcome. Got some good stuff for you guys today. If you want more information on the brand as well as the technical aspects of the pieces that they create, I did a full review on that in the very first video I made, and the link is in the description as well as the corner of this video. So go ahead and watch that. Gives you a better idea of the brand because we talk a lot about the brand. But for this video, they dropped several new pieces as well as, I believe, a new colorway. So they sent that over so that we could check it out and review it. So let's get into it. 4 pieces packed into one. This is the first time I've seen their packaging like this, where it looks like they have a new hang tag label, but also there's a sticker on each piece and it tells you not only like the item number, but they tell the GSM number. And if you're curious about GSM, again, I go over that in the first video, but to just, make it simpler, if you haven't seen it, it's basically the weight of each garment. And the higher GSM, the heavier the weight. To me personally, the better it feels. So, and the more expensive it gets. So, something like 400, pretty good GSM. So this jacket's 400, sweatpants 400, crew neck 400, and hoodie 400. 4 different products. This hoodie that I'm wearing is another Seventh Earth Studios oversized blank hoodie, black hoodie, blank and black. I believe this has a higher GSM as well. I covered this in the second video and that's also linked below, but it's one of my favorites. There's no drawstring, pretty big hood, has a good weight to it, feels good on the skin, so it's one of my favorites. All right, let's get into it. The first one is the X27 Ivory Organic Heavy Fleece Hoodie. On their website, the description says, crafted with our custom heavyweight organic cotton fleece, utilizing natural mineral dye that is approved by Oikotex. It has an oversized fit, minimal crop, drop shoulder, again 100% organic cotton fleece, 400 GSM heavyweight, seamless cuff and ribs. It's pre-shrunk. They got their new labels. Seventh Earth Studios didn't have this before. And they are made in Pakistan. So this is the ivory color in a size small. Feels good. Feels, you know what? It feels lighter than the black one. Got that nice soft fleece on the inside, kangaroo pocket. It says it's slightly cropped at the bottom. I'm gonna open them all and then try them all on at the same time so it's more efficient. All right, next one. This is the X30 double zipper in a dust gray, size medium. 400 GSM, 100% organic cotton fleece, custom water drop YKK zip double zip. Each double zipper is made piece by piece by hand by our expert tailor in our sample room within the factory. The zip tape is hidden for a clean finish. Dust gray, I can't tell if it's from my lighting, but it looks a little green. So I believe I had a gray hoodie in the first review I did for them, and it looks different, the color gray. So that one looked a little more, that one looked gray. This one looks a little bit like, almost like a light green, if that makes sense. Good weight to it, same thing with the tag and the double YKK zip. So got one at the top and you got one at the bottom. Okay, so I can't get it open. There we go. You'll see it better once I try it on. Next is the X29 Cobalt Blue Organic Fleece Boxy Sweatshirt. Same thing as the first two. So we want to see the boxy fit when we try this on. Man, that fleece is really soft on the inside. And the fleece doesn't feel cheap either. There you go, it's a nice, I believe this is one of their newer colors, Cobalt Blue. It's about an inch on the collar, which is nice. All right, lastly, X28 straight leg pleated sweats in ivory, which is the same color as the hoodie. Same thing with the heavyweight organic cotton fleece. Straight leg cut, prominent pleats, streetwear with the touch of formal. Colors the same. The pleats look pretty cool. You have the drawstring, elastic waistband, you have a single back pocket, 2 side pockets. Oh, and the bottom, it's kind of wide like this. It's not cuffed at the bottom, so looks like pants. All right, let's try it on. First one, we're doing the sweats. I'm 5'9", about 158 pounds now. I have a 31 waist, and this is a size small, and this is how it fits. So it's fairly long, as you could see. It's touching the ground, and there's my heel, if you could see that. Now this is on my toes. 5'9". This is where my hip bone is right here. So if I pull it like this, now it's not touching, but now this is where my belly button is. And it's about an inch and a half above that. So if you're okay with wearing your pants like this, I mean, it keeps you from having to make any alterations, having to cuff it at the bottom, and it keeps the clean ivory or the clean sweats off the floor. And if you wear shoes, you know, it'll create a little more distance between the ground and your pants. But they feel like sweats, but you know, there's a lot of room in between. I don't have the biggest thighs, so there it is. And that's about how much room there is, excess room, which just makes it really comfortable, flowy, soft on the inside. The pleats add a really nice touch to it. And the pockets, they have that nice opening on the side. It's not from the sides, so you could see it, and it's kind of on the front. Again, the drawstrings, or actually you could even fold it like that if you want. That way it's not above, it's still off the ground, but not covering your belly button. And then you have one back pocket. But yeah, here are the sweats. Next up is the Ivory hoodie. 400 GSM, but it feels pretty lightweight to me. I don't know if this is because I'm used to wearing heavier things, but 400 GSM is still pretty good. Nowhere where you're gonna feel like it's heavy or anything like that. But this is a size small, and again, I'm 5'9", about 158 pounds. And this is the length of the sleeves. There we go. So it's ribbed, and you have that nice excess to really get that oversized effect. The drop shoulders, so this is where my shoulder is, right here, and then the seam starts right here. So shoulder, seam. You have that kangaroo pocket, and then you have the hood. What I like about 7th Earth Studios, I gotta get down, is that their hoods are pretty big, and I really like that. So if you're cold, no drawstrings, really clean aesthetic up here. There's a nice fold. I don't know if you could see that. So it folds over. There's a term for it, and I should know it. Again, 5'9". This is as low as it goes. That's where my belly button is. So normally, you're probably gonna wear it and it'll end up like this. It doesn't really cling to your torso. Again, 31 waist, but it is kind of, it's not like tight, but it's not loose either. So if you lift your arms, it'll kind of like stop itself right here. It won't go all the way down. Good amount of room on the inside. Again, it has that oversized fit. That's how it looks. And this is the set, same thing, ivory color. It's a nice cream, looks like a cream. Clean aesthetic, looks good. Size small, on to the next. This is the crew neck, size medium, cobalt blue, which is a really nice color. It looks almost exactly like the color that you'll see on the website photos. As far as fit, loose, a lot of room on the inside. The sleeve feels shorter than the small hoodie. So there it is like that, all the way extended, and then the cuff brings it up to my wrist. Less room in the sleeves compared to the hoodie. Drop shoulder, it seems a little bit higher. This is my shoulder, and then the seam starts right here. So shoulder, seam. And this is a medium. And then the bottom, no elastic at the hem. It's just closed off, and it leaves kind of like a t-shirt feel, nice and open, which is kind of nice. It's a nice touch for a crew neck, because normally crew necks have the elastic at the bottom and kind of like does something like that, just like the hoodie, but this one's loose. Honestly feels like a weighted long sleeve tee, if that makes sense, with the fleece lining on the inside. And then the collar, not too tight. I have a 14.5 neck, and this is how the medium fits. Not bad. Last one is the zip hoodie. This one is also in a size medium, and it almost feels similar to the small, but a little bit more room. But I feel like the sleeves do feel the same. So with the same length. So got that oversized look. Shoulders seam similar to the small. Shoulders seam, got that drop shoulder. Big hood, same as the hoodie, size small. And then the pockets in the center, good size, just like the hoodie. There's a lot more room at the bottom where it's not like the elastic doesn't cling on to your body. It feels like a mixture of the hoodie and the crew neck at the hem. You could see that. Now the zipper. 2 zippers, again handmade. Unzip it from the top, if I could get it. There we go. So if you like wearing your sweaters with a little bit of zipper flare, I guess, you could do that. Double zippers. Could mess with it however you want. Soft organic fleece on the inside. It's actually pretty lightweight for foreign GSM. And it feels good. That's it for 7th Earth Studios. If you're interested in all these pieces, I'll link them down in the description below. They have a good amount of colorway for each piece. And honestly, I think I like the Ivory the best. It's clean, cream look. But then again, you know, this dust gray looks pretty cool as well. Again, it looks a little bit light green, but it's neutral enough to match with a lot of different things, and I really like these pleated sweats as well, because they don't look like sweats. You know, wear it with a t-shirt, hoodie, matches, looks nice. But yeah, they're all linked in the description. Go check out their website, and I also have a promo code. It's TOPHER, Topher. That's my name. It is an affiliate code, so if you use it, it does help out the channel, but in return, gives you guys, I believe, 10% off your entire order. So leave that in the description as well as the screen for you guys to check out. Hopefully this review helps. I get a lot of questions about sizing, because from what I noticed, it changes a little bit with each piece they come out. So for reference, I'm 5'9", about 158 pounds. The cream or the Ivory hoodie is a size small. The sweats, size small. I have a 31 waist, and then the crew neck and zip up is a medium. And I believe in the photos, the model is 6'1", and he's wearing a large with everything from what I remember. And if that's incorrect, I'll put it on the screen as well. But yes. Hopefully that helps with the color, the fit, the sizing, so that you guys can make a more informed decision. Thanks again for watching, and again, if you're interested in the brand and more pieces that I review, like that black hoodie, I'll link both of those reviews in the description down below. Thanks again, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.